Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your taskbar translucent on Windows 11. So all you have to do is go to your search bar. Okay, then you want to type in store, and this will be under the best match, Microsoft Store. So click onto the Microsoft Store, and then there where it says search apps, games, and more, you just want to type translucent TB. Okay, that's translucent TB. It's an app. In order to make our taskbar transparent, so click on get, and that'll load up. And then when that installs, I'll show you what happens with the taskbar. So as you can see right now, it's getting things ready. It's checking the dependencies and preparing for download. So I'll just let that finish. Okay, so all you have to do now is right click onto your taskbar, then click on task manager, not task manager, sorry, taskbar settings. Okay, so once you fully installed that from the Microsoft Store, you want to go to this drop up arrow right here, and here it'll be translucent DB. Okay, and then you can go ahead and play with the settings how you want it in order to make the taskbar translucent. I'll keep mine the way that I want it. Okay, so that's it. If this video helped you out, drop a like on it and subscribe to this channel.